Okay, this is a weird one. We got here a NutriBullet. You might think this repair is about it's not turning on. Well, not really. It's actually one of these things. It's supposed to go up and down like this. Some juice from maybe going into this. It's stuck. This one seems okay, but this guy is not moving any further. One position. So what can we try and do? Let's just try alcohol first. Yeah, and then no. Try something more stronger. Okay, screwdriver. Nope. What can we do here? Keep trying again. Still nothing. Could try WD-40. Wow, still not going down. Let's try WD-40. It is going to give a bad smell. There we go. Problem fixed. There we go. So if you got food or juice stuck in there, you haven't cleaned it, this is a problem you'll suffer. Always keep it clean. I'll give the customer a nice smelly NutriBullet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.